efficiency in customer service and how the customer is treated to be a standard across your agency and to be the same. Hi, Therese here with Agency Performance Partners, and in this 3-minute video, we're going to talk about efficiency in insurance customer service. Efficiency has to do with basically doing things and prioritizing things in a way that makes sense and makes things work better. When we're talking about efficiency in customer service, we want to have processes and procedures and strategies in our agencies to make sure that the customer service processes that we have are followed and that everybody does them the same way. So a greeting would be great, that everybody has the same greeting when they call your agency. Make it a standard. This is the greeting everybody is using. Once the customer is greeted and that first impression is made, then build rapport. Say hello to the client, ask them how they're doing. Then we need to listen to the customer and what their concerns are and what their needs are. And then we need to prioritize those needs. If it is something that can be done within 2 minutes, go ahead and do it and get it done, so you're not adding more tasks to the rest of your day. If it is something that takes a little bit longer or that needs to be transferred, your agency needs to discuss the efficiency of transfers. How do we transfer a call? Do we make sure somebody's available before we transfer the call? Do we transfer the call and it may go to voicemail and upset the customer? So in your agency, you need to discuss the different processes and procedures that a customer is going to go through. When they call in, these are the different steps. These are the things they're going to go through. And this is how our agency is going to push them through those steps. If it's somebody who walks in, do you make them wait 5 minutes if you're on the phone, or make them wait until you're done as part of your standard to basically show them that there are more convenient ways to make payments? If somebody is on your website, what does that efficiency process look like? Do you have all the portals to the carriers or your portal that will help them make payments easier? So you basically just want to make efficiency in customer service and how the customer is treated to be a standard across your agency and to be the same. So Sally doesn't treat Henry different than I would treat a customer. So you want all of your agents to understand those processes, those procedures, how they work, how they should go. You want to make sure that everybody understands it and everybody's on board with it. And if your agents, for some reason, seem like they don't know the process or they don't like the process, give them a chance to give some of their ideas and improvements on it, because they may have better ideas. One of the things that I found as an agent is I would give better ideas or give ideas to people and to management, and they wouldn't take my ideas. They would just be like, oh, that's not a good idea. They wouldn't even think about it. So sometimes, and I get it, sometimes agents' ideas aren't the greatest, but you also need to take into consideration these people are doing this day in and day out. So they know it differently than some of the higher up management that aren't doing this. So take their ideas, think about them, have them help you improve how efficient customer service can be done in your agency. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the blog, agencyperformancepartners.com.